Hi guys, and today we'll be covering a $500 gaming PC build. Let's get on to right into it with a CPU. The CPU is an AMD Athlon X4 860K 3.7 GHz quad-core processor. It costs $68.99, which is a really good deal for a quad-core CPU. It's clocked at 3.7 GHz. I didn't go for Intel because it doesn't make sense to go for Intel at a $500 budget. They don't even have CPUs that come down to $70. Anyways, now that we're done with the CPU, let's get on to the motherboard. For the motherboard, we'll be getting an MSI 868HM Grenade. It's a micro ATX board. It's on the FM2 Plus socket. It has PCI Express 3.0. It doesn't have M.2. It has two 3.0 ports at the back, four 2.0 ports at the back. It doesn't really matter what video outputs it has because we'll be obviously having a graphics card in this build. But that's pretty much it for the motherboard. It has a black color scheme. Obviously, as I said, it's on the FM2 Plus socket, which is compatible with our CPU. So now that we're done with the motherboard, let's get onto the memory. For the memory, we're going to get 2 sticks of 4 GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR3 1600 memory. It's Corsair low profile memory, so you don't have really long heat sinks. It's really short. It comes in at $44.99, though it has a $5 promo code, which brings it down to $39.99. That's pretty much it for the memory. It's in black, but there's also a blue version, I'm sure. Then let's go on to the storage. No SSD in this build. Obviously, it's $500 build. If you want, you can get a 120 GB for the same price of this hard drive, but I really don't suggest it because not a lot of people can get by with 120 GB of storage. Let's get right into the hard drive then. For the hard drive, we'll be getting a 1 TB Western Digital Caviar Blue. It spins at 7200 refs per minute. It costs $49.88. It's a really good hard drive. It's the best that it gets for hard drives. You can get a 2 TB if you want, but obviously it's more expensive. That's pretty much it for the storage. No SSD, as I said. Now, next up is the video card. For the video card, we'll be getting a Power Color Radeon R9 380. It's a 4 GB video card. It comes in at $199.99. It has a $3.99 shipping fee, which brings it up to $203.98, which will be the total you would pay. For the case, we'll be getting an NZXT Source 210 ATX mid-tower case. That's pretty much it for the case. It's in a black color scheme. It has USB 2.0. It has drive bays. It has pretty much everything you want for the case, but it doesn't have USB 3.0. By the way, I'll be getting into the table the graphics performance and video card later on in the video, so don't worry of that really brief description on the video card. For the power supply, we'll be getting an EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. It comes in at $45.25. The case comes in at $35.99. It's a really efficient power supply. It's a 30 plus bronze rating. EVGA is known for their good power supplies. It's not modular. You really shouldn't try and get a modular power supply at this budget, but you can find some really good deals with mail-in rebates sometimes. For example, there's a $45 750 watt semi-modular power supply up for grabs with a $20 mail-in rebate, I think. So go check that out if you're building another system and you're just watching this video and you need a power supply that's really efficient. Go check out that. My mind was blown when I saw that one. Anyways, let's get on to the graphics performance of this PC. For graphics performance, you'll be getting high to maximum settings. The Witcher 3 you'll be getting around medium settings. The video card, as I said, has 4 gigabytes of frame buffer, which is really good. It's an AMD video card, which doesn't really matter if you get an NVIDIA or AMD video card, because some people say that you need an AMD video card for an AMD CPU. That's not true. You can mix and match. They have nothing to do. So if you're watching this and you're saying, yay, see, it's really not about that. They are all interchangeable. So if you want a 960 for any reason, go ahead and get a 960. But the R9 380 has a slightly better price, so I got that one. And it has a really nice color scheme from Power Color too. It has a really dark red on the top and the bottom, and the rest is black. It has 2 fans, and that's pretty much it for the video card. Except for gaming performance, as I was talking, maximum settings on almost everything. You got that 4 gigabytes of frame buffer. Witcher you may get high, but I think you need to do some overclocking to go to high on the Witcher. But I'm not sure. I don't know this. I'll leave my personal rig in the description, by the way, if you want to go check it out. But that's it for the video. If you like it, like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. But please like it, because it will help me a lot. Go watch my first video if it concerns you, which is the $1,000 editing workstation build. I'm trying to make the videos even better and better. So try not to be haters. Have a little patience, and I'll get better and better every video. So this is the second video on this channel. I have another channel which I will link down in the description too, but that's related to gaming, but I don't really suggest to watch that because it's kind of outdated. But anyways, that's it with this video. I'll see you next time with a $400 gaming PC build.